complementary feeding after, though the knowledge of exclusive breastfeeding was not all over like this, but then I still breastfed till age 3. So a continued breastfeeding now is after 6 months, the mother does not stop. Continue breastfeeding the child alongside with complementary feeding, the dairy products, the whole grains that the child needs to till 2 years or beyond. So we have numerous benefits of breastfeeding. Breast milk, the content we are giving a child is breast milk, contains all the nutrients the baby needs, the nutrients that will improve the intelligence and cognitive outcome of a child. They are all embedded in breast milk. We can name it our macronutrients and micronutrients. Is there in breast milk. So breastfeeding, it protects against, when you give a child a breast milk, it protects against respiratory and gastrointestinal infections. So it will have boost the immune system against any form of infections. So breast milk is easy to digest, unlike you introducing to a child, you are introducing pap to a child. The immune system of such infants has not been built up to the level of breaking it down. So it's just like it will look like an overloading on such child's system. So breast milk, it reduces the risk of, when you breastfeed, it reduces the risk of ovarian cancer and breast cancer in the mother. I said earlier that breastfeeding, the mother and the child benefit from it, not just the child alone. So it reduces the risk of ovarian cancer and breast cancer. Breastfeeding a child brings about reduction in infant mortality, death due to infectious diseases. So it helps to lose pregnancy weight faster. During the pregnancy, there is a plus or minus 15 kg add up to a mother that is pregnant to her own normal ideal weight. So due to the weight of the fetus and the like. So you doing breastfeeding your baby can help to lose that add up weight during pregnancy. Breastfeeding also prevents childhood malnutrition like wasting, stunting. So it saves, breastfeeding a child also saves time and money. You have everything. It's a free gift from God to human. So it saves time and it also saves money. It increases the mental development of the child. The child will be able to reason well. The cognitive reasoning will be okay. So breastfeeding also provides a close emotional and psychological contact with the child's mother. It brings about a form of intimacy between the mother and the child. So there are some facts about breastfeeding that we need to know as advocates and as many that are here to learn. So in the first few days after birth, breasts produce colostrum. So colostrum is a nutrient-rich milk full of calcium, proteins, minerals, and antibodies that baby need in their first few days of life. They will always encourage the health practitioners, the midwives, they will always encourage the mother to put a baby to breast immediately within the first hour of delivery. So the baby should be able to get the colostrum that he or she needs. Breast milk is amazingly adaptable. If you or the baby are sick, the number of antibodies and white blood cells in the breast milk increase to fight off infection. So no need of getting looking for another way out. So breast milk itself, it's a way out to fight any form of infection. All right, the body is constantly making the perfect milk for baby. uh, this just lies on the fact that the mother should feed well, taking a nutritious meal, and the body will be making the perfect milk for the baby.